based on those clips you just saw there, you can see that it was an epic show there in New York. Aidonia 20th anniversary star-studded lineup, likes of Mavado, Shensea, Jada, Kingdom, even BLAK right now in the building, people. We have a lot of videos and clips to check out. Stay tuned.
All signs in the sky. When I say click click, you say pow, click click, click click.
Family, welcome back to our next episode of the CHAM TV channel. So in this episode, we're just going to feature Aidonia show held in the New York area at the UBS Arena, Aidonia 20th anniversary, featuring the likes of Mavado, Shensea, Jada, Kingdom, Govana, Sizzla, CHAM. Be a big artist, people. It was a star-studded lineup and each artist put out a top-tier performance. So we have a few clips and videos to go in. So we're going to start off the review with Aidonia and Mavado. So check it out, people. Alright, people, so there have it. So that was Aidonia alongside Mavado and Govana. Some snippets from their performance there at the UBS Arena. So we're gonna check out a few more performance highlights from Shensea and Jada, Kingdom. Yeah man, the two hot females in the dancehall was there as well, and them going really well, exceptional. Love the outfits from both artists. Both artists look stunning and amazing. Not gonna lie, them really caught my eye. So I'll just check out a few clips here, and you can tell me in the comment section what you think as well.
Big man and good could be bitches. No girl can't see me and try text it. The bitch would have sex, so bring her to the bed. Sheng yang some S in a chest when we say no fight over man when no trace over. Some girl head full of ear like parachute. When me and him far, everybody say with you. She told her not be here, don't you know that? And I fight no girl over no man me. Can't touch it. She got me in a street and pass and miss on the pretty body. And you got girl on the knee.
Again.
I don't want no fraud from me. Yeah. Shut my shoe down. Some can love them man more than how them love them one pity. If one man, some of them have the sex, y'all must be mental. Them a fuck the credential. You know want to the quarrel, but you have the moral. The keep man when I'm 24, y'all me not care. You don't touch me rear, me and me fool. I take a breeze on Jesus. I want make you feel so hard. You make it be time, you never think so.
Alright family, so that was Shensea's performance there at the UBS Arena. Shenyang shell it down, really and truly. She come out and she did her thing and really kept it on point. Really love her performance. So we're gonna move on to our next female now in the dancehall business, Jada Kingdom. Really nice performance from her as well. If you don't believe me, check it out.
Every minute you deserve a baby girl.
Talk about.
Here I go again, another folk song, but me sure the cocky bully the relentless. I think I get no better. My man, hey, you are expert. If that's not a word, I swear that I love you every minute. You deserve a baby girl, and you know what I'm saying. As a man, another man. My head get hot, no why, so the truth can shine. And after the same, open us a time, I'm trying to take offense. Jano mo wunda like to make it happy when I get. Then I don't change when I get full of sense. You want to deal, no place like your bed. When I take you for granted, no. But till you say me ready and your hands when me say right now, unfold like the demons in my soul. Go on the ground and skin right out it. Force it up, clean I'm a tight. Need some killis tonight, one write it up, then they give me. Make you come and free your mind, no lie. So give it up one time for the love of my life. Creeping up my neck, I said for start the nice. Doing everything I like, you must read in my mind. This feel too nice when I well, I'm not gonna let you go. You fuck me like a pro. So we go more than one road. You're too bad for me, I know. I don't know where them get you from. How come on, say one. So we go more than one road. What's the next one go?
Alright family, so that was Shensea and Jada Kingdom performance highlights. Yeah man, really enjoyed both performances from each female artist there. Shensea utilizing her vocal range throughout the performance really enhanced it. Jada Kingdom delivered an amazing set as well. Really loved her outfit and how she utilized the stage as well. Very good set. Yeah man, so just check out a little snippet from BLAK RYNO as well. He was in attendance at the show. Just check out a performance highlight from him and you can tell me what you think. Alright family, so that was BLAK RYNO delivering a nice little set there in the UBS Arena on Aidonia's 20th anniversary show. Yeah man, it's a good look for you know have a Gaza man in the building I represent. So it just goes to show the unity what the artists I'm promote right now. Yeah man, it's a really good look. So overall the show was a major success. Just want to big up Aidonia and his team for all the work that they put in, and each and every artist that came out and did a great performance as well. Big up to each and every one of you. Yeah man, it was a good look for dancehall. It was a really good look. Every artist came out, delivered a nice set, and the fans really enjoyed it. Just goes to show when the dancehall artists them collaborate, is a greater effect that it have on the people and the fans of the culture. Yeah man, so if you make it through to the end of the video people, just a beg you a like and a share and a subscribe on the content. We'll look for grow the channel to at least 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers. Yeah man, so stay tuned.